Hey, what's up everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. Happy Easter Sunday. As you can see, the weather is quite lovely. It's actually sleeting at the moment, which is just ridiculous. So this is gonna be a quick video because I've got the Outback propped up on the loading block, and as you can see, it wants to escape. So I had originally shot a video about this keel guard here. It was an install video. It was a very in-depth video, and all the data got corrupted, so that one went out the window. So I'm just gonna show this keel guard to you real quick, and then I'm gonna pause, put this thing back down here on the stands, quote unquote, and then we'll talk about it.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
This is the Berleypro Keel Guard for the Hobie Outback 2019 plus. This is a 2021. So let me get this thing back down on the stands and let's talk about it. Okay, so here's the thing about keel guards. There's a lot of options out there, especially for do-it-yourself. A lot of guys, you can use PVC with a heat gun and form it to your hull. You can use Kydex with a heat gun, form it to your hull. There are guys using Gorilla Tape. Now, look, here's the thing. Especially with the Gorilla Tape, let's specifically talk about that for a second. It works, okay? It's cheap. Yes, as soon as it gets torn up, you can peel it off, put a new one on. I get it. If you guys have, like my old kayak, like a $200-300 Sun Dolphin that you bought at Walmart, then by all means, Gorilla Tape it up, man. That's what I did. I've got a Hobie Outback. These are not cheap kayaks. These are quality kayaks that if you own one, you know what I'm talking about. You invest in it. And honestly, I don't see the point in putting $2 Gorilla Tape on a Hobie Outback and thinking that that looks good or that it's acceptable. For me, it's cheap, it's tacky, and I would much rather just spend a couple bucks on an actual keel guard or make one myself out of Kydex. Nothing wrong with the Kydex PVC method. Personally, I think when you use the PVC, there's bigger gaps, more mud and stuff will get stuck in there. But look, it works, and it's tough as nails. So I went with the Berleypro Keel Guard for the Outback. I paid like $34.99 or something like that for it. I got a discount on it. I think retail on it's like $49.99 or something like that. I'm going to put a link to it in the description down below to where I got it from. So here's the deal. It's super easy to install. You literally just wipe down the area with like an alcohol prep pad, take some marine grade clear silicone, put it inside the keel guard, push it up against the kayak, and then I put a ratchet strap on it, very light tension, and just let it sit there for 24 hours. It really is that simple. And it works great. It appears like it might even be made out of Kydex. I don't know. But it's made specifically for my kayak. It fits great. It's going to take all the abuse that the hull doesn't. And at 40 to 50 bucks to replace it every couple of years, if ever, not that big a deal to me. If you can spend money on a good kayak, you can afford to spend money on a good keel guard. So sorry that I don't have the install video and the full out review for you guys like I wanted to. Sometimes it'd be that way with data cards and whatnot. I'm shooting this one on my iPhone, so I know this one won't get screwed up, but I used the GoPro for the other one, and that memory card just decided that it had had enough. So just a quick little video to tell you guys about the keel guard. I'll leave a link down below where you can get one, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Everybody have a nice Easter, and we'll see you next time. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.